Probably wondering how you get good pallet wood for free like this. Dead easy. Let me show you how. Check this out as well. 18mm plywood, not like your normal stuff that you would normally get. Let me tell you how you get this stuff for free. Secret is just ring your local solar company. They go through that many pallets, they don't know what to do with them. They can get other companies to come pick them up from their yard, office or factory, whatever it is they might work from, where it costs them money. It'd be so much easier for you to take it off their hands for free. Maybe sweeten them up with some sweets. It's nearly Christmas, that's why I've got a hot coffee. 18mm thick plywood pallets. Can't get better than that. Not compared to the other rubbish that you get that you see going for free. And by that, I mean those blue Euro pallets or just the other pallets out there that's got 1,000 nails in you just can't get out. This has got practically none in, but it has got nails in, but they're so much easier to get out. Let's go and get them out. 1, 2, 3. Not 10,000 like you would on a Euro pallet, and they come out nice and easy. Use whatever method you prefer, but this is what I prefer. Let's prise it off a little bit, and we'll just repeat that. There, there, and there. Easy as that. Come on, can't complain at that. There you have it. 3 lovely pieces of plywood. In case you're wondering what the measurements are for them, they are 1182mm. Gone floppy. Length 1111mm. Bonus, you get loads of rusty crooked nails, and the extra bonus is free skis. Multiple free skis. Winter's coming, so what more do you want? I do know what I want you to do though, and that is to like and subscribe. Go on, just hit that button. Nice and easy.